If you're trying to choose between quartz, granite, and quartzite, the right answer usually has less to do with what looks best in the showroom and more to do with how you actually live in your kitchen. The best countertop choice depends on how often the kitchen is used. It also depends on how much maintenance you're comfortable with. Whether you prefer consistency or natural variation matters too. And whether your priority is practicality, resale appeal, or visual impact. Let's start with quartz, the low maintenance, highly practical option. Quartz is engineered, which means it offers consistent performance from slab to slab. It resists staining exceptionally well. Unlike natural stone, it doesn't require sealing. This makes it ideal for busy households that need surfaces to just work. Quartz is often a strong fit for homeowners who want a clean, modern look and don't want to think about ongoing upkeep. Now let's talk about granite, a natural stone option with strong durability. Granite offers more variation from slab to slab because it's quarried directly from the earth. It handles heat and scratches well, making it durable for everyday cooking. But because granite is porous, it needs periodic sealing to maintain its resistance to stains. Granite is a solid middle ground choice for homeowners who want a natural material without stepping into the higher maintenance world of quartzite. Next is quartzite, the higher end, more design driven option. Quartzite is a natural stone that's very durable and often dramatic in appearance. It's commonly chosen for its upscale visual impact and unique character. However, quartzite requires sealing and more ongoing care than quartz. It's usually a better fit for homeowners who prioritize aesthetics and are comfortable with maintenance. Let's summarize the key differences between all three materials. Quartz is best for busy households that want low upkeep and consistent appearance. Granite is best for those seeking balance between natural beauty and durability. Quartzite is best for high-end visual impact with more maintenance required. In California kitchens, especially in Sacramento area remodels, buyers often expect kitchens to feel updated, cohesive, and easy to live with. Low maintenance materials can have broad appeal when it comes to resale value, but the countertop should still fit the overall kitchen layout, cabinetry, lighting, and backsplash. Climate is usually less important than people think in this decision, since all three materials generally perform well indoors. What matters more is daily use, maintenance expectations, and how the surface fits the overall remodel. Many homeowners fall in love with the look of one material without fully thinking through the upkeep. For example, someone may love quartzite but underestimate the maintenance it requires. Or they may choose granite for its natural feel, but later realize they wanted a more uniform look. Remember, countertops don't exist in isolation. They interact with cabinet color, lighting, backsplash, and the way the kitchen functions every day. Here's a simple decision guide to help you choose. If you want minimal maintenance and a consistent look, quartz is usually the safest choice. If you want natural stone with balanced performance, granite is often the strongest middle ground option. If your top priority is elegance and uniqueness, quartzite can be worth it as long as you're comfortable with the upkeep. The best countertop isn't the one that looks most impressive in a photograph. It's the one that fits how you cook, how you clean, and how you want your kitchen to feel every single day. When you choose a material that matches your actual lifestyle, your kitchen works better and feels better for years to come.